Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Leonard. Now that you decided to buy an Auxo A300 laser device, I'd like to show you how to set it up. One of the things that impressed me dramatically about the device is that it's really brand new technology. The device is form-fitting, it's very flexible, I can flex it in all different manners, and it's very, very sturdy. It has 300 lasers, and the lasers in this device are very unique. As a matter of fact, it's the first device that's FDA cleared with this type of laser. It's a big deal. I've been taking care of patients with hair loss over 35 years and have been offering this type of laser therapy to my patients for more than 25 years. And I've used many, many devices. And as we know, technology evolves. And the evolution to this level is brand new. A new device, a new technology, and the benefits are many. The surface-mounted laser of this type will penetrate the skin more deeply than any other laser, and it has a wider beam which provides greater coverage in the treatment area, which is the scalp, of course. This cap is set aside. Within the device, there's a little box, and in the box there is a charger and a battery. The battery needs to be charged at least for 2 hours before you use it the first time. And on this end of the battery and on the back end of the cap, you would just connect it. When you press the button on the top of the battery, you'll see 4 lights, which means it's fully charged. And then simply place it on your head, unplug the charger, and press and hold the battery for a couple of seconds. You'll hear a beep, and then the light is underway. The laser is working at this point. You'll wear it for 10 minutes, and that's it. And once it goes down to 1 light, then you should charge the battery again for 2 to 4 hours. What bothers you about your hair loss today can be helped dramatically by using the Auxo A300 laser. If you have any questions of any sort, you can reach out to auxohair.com, and we hope you have a great day.